Hello students, welcome to Sources classes. Today we'll be solving the IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics question paper of year 2018. Today we'll be solving question number 51. In question number 51 it has been said that let f, which goes from R to R, be a differentiable function such that f dash is continuous on R with f dash 3 equal to 18. Now if Gn of x is defined as n into f of x plus 5 by n minus f of x minus 2 by n, then limit n tends to infinity g of n3 is equal to, we have to find out the value. Now we have been given that gn of x is given by n into f of x plus 5 by n minus f of x minus 2 by n. Now we can separate it and write it as f of x plus 5 by n minus f of x minus f of x minus 2 by n plus f of x. Now this can be broken down as f of x plus 5 by n minus f of x by 1 by n minus f of x minus 2 by n minus f of x by 1 by n. So this we can write down as 5 into f of x plus 5 by n minus f of x by 5 by n minus, if we take minus of 2 into f of x minus 2 by n minus f of x by minus of 2 by n, we can write it like this. So now if we take limit n tends to infinity g of nx, this will give us 5 into limit n tends to infinity f of x plus 5 by n minus f of x by 5 by n. This is one part, and the second part will be minus, this will be plus of 2 into limit n tends to infinity f of x minus 2 by n minus of f of x by minus 2 by n. Now this can be written as 5 into limit 5 by n tends to 0 f of x plus 5 by n minus f of x by 5 by n, and the second part can be written as 2 into limit minus 2 by n tends to 0 f of x minus 2 by n minus of f of x by minus of 2 by n. So this is nothing but 5 into f dash x plus 2 into f dash x, this will be equal to 7 f dash x. So therefore we can write we need to find out the value of, we need to find out the limit of gn of 3. So what we can do is then we'll write down limit n tends to infinity gn of 3. Instead of x we'll write as 3, so this will be 7 into f dash 3, this will be equal to 7 into 18, and this will be equal to 126, which is the correct answer. So today we have solved question number 51 from the IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics question paper of year 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.